And for today's video, sa itong tutorial, we will learn how to simplify each rational expressions. So simplify. Let's do letter A example. So the first is, what you will do is factor the numerator and then we also factor the numerator. So ang factor ng um, 40 is 20 times 2 over ang factor naman, the greatest common factor or ang factor ng 60 is 20 times 3. And so from there, you will crush out the common, and then what is left is the final answer. So it's 2 over 3. So that's how you simplify a rational expression. Now let's proceed to our second example, which is a squared plus 2a over 2a plus 4. So first is still the same. You will simplify the numerator. So what is on the top? So the factor of this is a, because a common, may a dito, may a din doon, times, open parenthesis is multiplication, times a, kasi squared, so dalawa sila, no? Squared ito eh. And then plus 2. Ayan, yung 2 dito. Ito yung 2 na iwan. Alright? And then over, common nila is 2. So 2 divided by 2a divided by 2 is a, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Alright, so this is now the factor of this monomial. Alright, monomial factor ang tawag nito eh, kasi may common sila, tapos sige factor out. If you distribute a, ito yung labas, no? A times a is a squared plus 2a. Ito naman, a times 2 is 2a. So ang magkapareho i-cancel natin. So what is left is the simplified answer. So which is in this case a over 2. That's the answer. A over 2. And for letter C, again, the same process. You will factor the numerator, which is ang 45, kasi factor ng 45 is 15 times 3. Alright? 15 times 3. Yan. Itong period na yan is also a symbol for multiplication. No, alright. Another symbol yan ng multiplication. So, factor ng 45 is 15 times 3. Alright? And then, sa a squared, factor ng a squared is a times a. Alright? Then, b. Ito namang si 30, factor niya is 15 times 2. And then a, and then b. And then, cancel lang natin ang magkapareho. Ito si a, cancel si a, si b, cancel si b. So, what is left, yun ang simplified answer, or final answer. Nakasimplified na yan. So, yung naiwan. So, ang naiwan natin dito is 3. Sa numerator tayo, 3, at saka si a. Ito si a. Naiwan yan. So, sa kabila naman, si 2. Si 2 ang naiwan. So, meron tayong, that's our final answer. Simplified. So, again, the rule is very easy. All you have to do is factor the numerator, then factor the denominator, then crush out the common, or i-crush out lang natin ang, kasi ibig kasi sabihin ng 15 over 15 is 1. So otherwise you will just cancel that, no? Kasi 1 lang man din yun siya. A divided by a is 1. So cancel na yan siya. So what is left is 3a over 2. Another example, we have ito. Another example. So gawin natin dito is we will simply what still the same, no? Factor pakikuan lang ito ha. Ito i-emphasize natin ito. Ang kaibahan ng pagkasulat ng 9 at saka a. Si a parang may ganun. Then si 9 para ma-identify talaga natin ha. Si 9 pala yan at saka si a yan. So 9a plus 15, the factor for this is common kasi nila 3. Alright, 3. So sulat natin dito ang common. And then 9a divided by 3 is 3a. Alright? Then plus 15 divided by 3 is 5. So yun ang factor niya. Dito naman sa baba, ayan, walang common, no? Pero pwede natin itong i-factor using a trinomial, no? Dili man siya perfect, pero we can use trial and error for this. No, the factor of this one actually is 3a plus 5. Factoring ko ni siya trinomial kani, factoring trinomial. Kung pwede na ninyo ikuan, then a plus 1. Yan ang factor nito. Yan ang factor. Now, if you use FOIL method, then you will multiply that one. Ito yung sagot. Now, hindi ko na lang i-detalye yan ha kung paano kinuha ito. Alright? Kasi nag-simplify lang tayo. Natakil na kasi itong factoring trinomial. And then, cancel. Parang the same nga expression. 3a plus 5, 3a plus 5, cancel. What is left is 3 over a plus 1. And this is now our final answer. So, si 3 over a plus 1. So, wala na pwedeng malabas. So, that's our final answer. Let's proceed to letter A. Letter E. Letter E. So, ito, si 4a minus 1, actually, equivalent lang yan siya ng negative 1 plus 4a. Alright? Iparehas na lang natin sila nito, no, sa baba para na agad tayo makancel. Over 1 over 4a. And then, ito siya, ayan, yan siya is, pwede ito siya ma-factor pa. Ang factor niya is 1 negative, ilabas natin si negative, tapos 1 minus 4a. Pag i-distribute natin si negative 1, distribute natin yan dyan, gi-factor lang nato niya, which is negative 1 times 1 minus 4a. And then, kung titingnan ninyo, the same na siya doon sa denominator. So, of course, we can cancel out yung pareha. So, what is left is negative 1, which is our final answer. Ito yan. At saka may rule din yan dyan, ha? May rule. Pag makakita gani kayo ng binaliktad lang yung sa baba, alright? Binaliktad lang yung sa baba. Dito, naka 4a minus 1, tapos binaliktad. Tapos iba ang kanilang sign. Positive dito, negative dito, positive doon. So you can actually factor this one, and the factor is this, right? This whole thing. And then you can cancel out, then automatic the answer is negative 1. You will just simply memorize the pattern, my pattern, no? Positive, negative, negative, positive. Tapos parang binaliktad sila, automatic yan, it's negative 1. Alright? So there, familiarity lang talaga sa mga expressions ang kailangan. Dito sa last example natin, Alright, so last example, we will also factor perfect trinomial din ito, no? Not perfect trinomial, but we will use how to factor trinomial in this case. I will not go into the detail, but the factor of this numerator is 3b. Dili na ako na i-detail ha, kasi we are done already with that topic. That's the factor. Now, how do I know that that's the factor? When you multiply using FOIL method, you will arrive to this product, this trinomial. Over, ang factor naman ito is ang kanilang shall I say, ang kanilang common is 8. So 48 divided by 8 is 6, right? So you write the common, which is 8, and then 6 minus divided by 8 minus b. So yan ang naiwan. And then we could cancel this one. Since ito negative 1 ito yung sagot nito ba, this is negative 1. Familiar ba ang pattern tulad nito kanina? Alright, yan. So di ba it resulted to negative 1. Ito rin parang pareho sila positive b, negative 6, then positive 6, negative b, binaliktad. So you can actually crush that out, and that is just equal to negative 1. Alright? So may may negative 1 siya dyan. And then si negative 1 is you will just simply distribute that one to this expression 3b plus 4, which is na result niya is negative 3b minus minus 4. Negative siya. Okay? Over 8. And from there, kung titingnan ninyo, wala na siyang common. We cannot also simplify 4 and 8 kasi may subtraction. Pag may subtraction dyan, ibig sabihin this one is taken as 1. So we cannot anymore factor. And because of that, this is our final answer. So that's our topic, how to simplify its rational expressions. There are mga examples. Alright, until next time, I will see you into my another video.